Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about AWS, also known as Amazon Web Services. Uh, we will understand what AWS is, why companies use it, and some of the most popular AWS services like EC2, S3. And if you want to learn cloud computing in a simple way, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, what is AWS? Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform that helps people and companies build websites, apps, games, databases, and online services without buying expensive physical server. And what is the use of AWS? Main uses of AWS are hosting, websites and web apps, cloud storage and backups. Another one is running mobile apps and APIs, database management, AI and machine learning, video streaming and gaming server, cybersecurity and monitoring, scalable business applications. Popular for AWS services. EC2 means virtual server and S3 file and image storage, RDS managed database, CloudFront fast content delivery, IAM security and access control. Another one is why people use AWS. Pay only for what you use. Fast and scalable, secure and reliable, used by startups and big companies worldwide. For example, when you open Instagram, Netflix, or Amazon, their apps need server, storage, database, and security to work properly. And AWS provides these cloud services so companies can run their application smoothly without managing physical computers themselves. Another example, Netflix uses AWS for video streaming. Nowadays, Netflix uses AWS and Amazon uses AWS for its online shopping platform. Many startups use AWS to host website and mobile apps. So it's all about of AWS. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understood what AWS is and how it is used in real world application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tech and coding videos. So you in the next See you in the next video.